I bet you'd never know it, but I thought you're someone's side assistant, like Saturday in San Francisco. I thought so anyhow. The look you used to show me and the book you used to set my system. I should have said my resistance. I had no need till now. Cause now I'm breaking all the rules of lonely summer again and with you. Yeah, now I'm ready to fall backwards to the motion.
Naragyan yung packet ng bahay namin. It's great to see somebody who's Nasabit kaya yung cellphone mo? Hindi.
Sorry.
Uy, huwag kang titingin! Huwag kang titingin sa likod. Huwag kang titingin. Ate, huwag kang ganyan! Iiyak ako dito. Wait lang.
Ang ganda ng city lights. Oh, shucks. Hindi ako makatingin. Wow. Hoy, ang lakas ng trip mo, kuya!
Yanay! Ano? Ang lakas ng trip.
Ay! Mama ko!
Wait.
Hoy, ba't humanan?
Wala pa siyang humihinto.
Nasa taas pa tayo. Hoy!
Ate! Kakagano. Kakaganaw. Ate ko eh.
Ba't tayo tumigil? Hoy!
Ate, huwag kang gagalaw ha.